Good morning, friends. These are the esteemed teachers of St. Xavier's School, Manas Masbari. St. Xavier's School is run by the generous support of these committed and dedicated teachers. Teachers of St. Xavier's School are well qualified and well trained in their subjects. They are very knowledgeable and understanding. Their hearts is full of compassion. They are courageous, competent, and committed, and have concern for the well-being of the students. They are very efficient and effective in their teachings. They are very hardworking. Because of their hard work, St. Xavier's School has produced a very good result. If you see the result of last year, you will find that some students have secured above 95% in HLC examination. It is an excellent performance of the St. Xavier's School and of the teachers. Congratulations to all the teachers. They not only are good in academic performances, but also in other co-curricular activities like conducting speech competition, drawing competition, dance competition, cultural competition, quiz competition, and science exhibition, etc. They are also very good in conducting sports and games, football tournaments, etc. Recently, some students of St. Xavier's School participated in Chakravyuh held in Jharkhand, where many schools participated, but St. Xavier's School performed very well. They bagged many medals. Congratulations to the students and all the teachers, very especially the teachers who accompanied them in this competition. As you will find, the teachers, they are very happy, they are committed. Therefore, as today I am here, I wish them all the best, that God bless them in their effort. Our teachers, all of them live happy and love one another, love all the students equally. Thank you.